Hey guys, welcome back to new video, and in this video we are going to authenticate our user by using Google sign-in. So let's get started. So first of all we need to go in our Firebase console, and this is my Firebase console of my app. So this is my previous project, and if you don't watch my previous video I will put the card in the corner. You can go and check this video first, and after that let's continue. So what I'll do, I'll go in the Gradle, and here you have two options, one is task and another one is app. So just click on app, task, Android, and here just click on this signing report. Okay, so you get your SHA1 key, so copy this key, go in your Firebase dashboard, and within project settings we are go in the bottom, and here you can see this is our app, and simply add your fingerprint, which is just copy from the Android Studio. So just paste it over here and simply save this. Okay, so I already saved this thing, so that's why I'm not saving my SHA1 certificate fingerprint again. Just close all this thing. Okay, so I will add something in our layout, so that is nothing but a Google sign in button, and I will provide this ID register underscore Google. Okay, so this is the documentation provided by Firebase how to authenticate using Google sign in on Android. So I follow this documentation. So first thing first, it will give some dependencies. Just copy these dependencies, just copy it from there, go in your Android, build.gradle module app level file, and add these dependencies. So these are the some dependencies which I add previously before the tutorial. So I'm not going to add this thing, but you add your dependencies over here, sync your project. Okay, so now we have all dependencies. So let's move to the next part. Okay, so you can see here, if you haven't yet specified your app SHA1 fingerprint, do so from the setting page. Okay, so we actually do this thing, just copy this thing from here. Okay, so just it is copied to the clipboard and go in your Android Studio. Okay, this is our main activity, and just paste over here. Okay, so this is GSO. I make it variable in a class level. So what I do, I make a let init var which is GSO, which is nothing but a Google sign in options. Yes, this one. Okay, so now I'm remove this val. Okay, so what is the next step? I'll copy this thing and I'll tell you later what is the task this sign in perform. Okay, so this is Google sign in client. So what I do, I make a variable over here. So let init variable, and the variable name is Google sign in client. So Google sign in client, and this is of type Google sign in client, this one. Okay, so you can see the error is gone, and I'm also going to create RC sign in, pressing alt enter, and create a property RC sign in, and the value of this is 0. Okay, so that's all. So we successfully add the sign in. Now jump back to the documentation, and now we are going to copy this section on activity result. Okay, so simply paste over here, and I am wrapping this thing with a, I'm making this tag strings. Add this Firebase auth. So just copy this thing, and I already had a, but just make it another one. Okay, in our on start we check if we already sign in or not. If we are sign in, then we simply update our UI. Okay, so we'll talk about this later. So now copy this particular code, just paste over below. Okay, so now create this update UI, and yes, everything is fine, press enter. Okay, so I'm not using snack bar, I'm using toast. So toast dot make text, Okay, so instead of view I pass our context and remove this thing too. So toast.length sort. Okay, so make this string. All right, so okay, so everything is fine. So we already copy everything. So now jump in our project. So now we having this Google sign-in client, which we are going to initialize over here. This, which is a context, and second one is our GSO, which is this Google sign-in options. While Google Google sign in by using find view by ID. So find view by ID, and that button is sign in button. Now it's time to r.id dot something something. So register Google, and when I'm going to press this button, so Google sign in dot set on click listener, we simply use our sign in, and that's it. So now I'm going to run this application in our Nexus 5X. Okay, so when I press this Google sign in, you can see this is my account, and just clicking this Vision Android. Alright, so I think I'm login. Go in our authentication section and just refresh this. Okay, so you can see here I'm login over here. This is my email. Okay, so if you like this video, please subscribe my channel.